Okay, now I want to show you how to build a plasma screen television. So first of all, you're gonna get your interface ready with a white background and a stripe, just like the Bible says that in the book of it says someone like that, some guy like that. He was addicted to the life of prayer. I don't really remember that, but you will find it if you hook up on Google search. As much as you know, we have a recovery phone number, and then easy search for Oturum Kapat, and then Onailam. So here you have this white interface. The white interface represents a blank screen. Okay, a transparent glass with a stripe on it. And it's very easy to make a stripe on it. How do you do that? You just use corel powder with a measurement. It does not really matter if that measurement is gonna be perfect. You can use your thumb or your finger to make a straight measurement, and perhaps before you come to the end of your work, you will find it appreciating to you, depending on what you're doing. Actually, for me, I like Kokoba. I like lots of specimens. I like stuffs. I like lots of things. But there's one particular thing which you must understand here. Um, and I must put some effort to reduce the interface so you will understand what I mean in full terms. You don't have to rush at this time. You just take it easy. Okay, I will prefer to use agency FB, and at the time I enlarge this interface, you will surely get the complete meaning of what I'm doing here. All right, we've got something very much perfect, very much perfect. So here is agency FB. You can start your introduction with the name of your company by the left side of the screen. Okay, this is the name of my company, Agency FB, and then you have the abbreviation above it, since 2000 years to 2020, where we're existing at this time. And perhaps it keeps progressing, who knows? It depends on weather. So here is Agency FB normal, and the bracket abbreviated, and having given thanks to the Fereren Fekufe. Here is the line I'm talking about. Okay, the line I'm talking about. It has to be elongated to you know, to the height of it. So I'm gonna give you a good signal of what I mean. Chicka boom. All right, we are there, and this is the line I'm talking about. Okay. Above this line is a faded green interface with something close to a chalk with a yellow coloring. Okay, this is for T123. But when you're doing the live practicals of this phase, you must have to use your playing glass. Okay, clean your playing glass with a GV, make it blue, wishing color, or you can make it white in color, or any color you can darken it. It does not really matter which color you have there, but make sure that by the left of your screen you will have agency B and this abbreviation up there, or whichever name you wanna inscribe there. Okay, but understand something. It should be a transparent sticker. So you may decide to put up your own with maybe a marker or an artwork and make your gum appropriately and then put it. There are lots of gums in the market. You can get some for, like I have super glue. Super glue is there in the market. Lots of that. Or you can use alum. Or perhaps you can make corel powder with actually corel powder comes with Tosboy and it comes with Tosboy. Tosboy is an ash. You can burn wood. Okay, you can burn wood to get an ash, and then when you get an ash, you can make use of pussycat sheet. You mix it up together to gain your gum. To gain your gum. Okay, and then you can if you put it there, then you can write your agency maybe with you just pick up a stick and then try to shape it on any wall, and then when you must have placed that, you write on it carefully. It's gonna show. Okay, with the interface behind your facial infrastructure. You see, and then when you put up your computer screen behind this circumference, you're gonna get an approximation, and then you keep on your trials to exhibit your balance. If you listen to that song, what the difference between me and you, that's what it means. The talk should go on and stops and stops and stops. Okay, that means we're gonna employ the difference, and then the difference here is gonna be 86 minus the number we get from difference, and then we will calculate the circumference from there, and then we get the balance of it. So it's a complete lecture this time, and then I feel alright, so you just take care. I'll see you later. I'm still on 1, 2, 3. We bless God today for His goodness and mercies. Actually, my assistant, I don't know what she's doing, but I hope the Lord Almighty bless her through Lucifer's kingdom. We expecting lots of matches tonight, and then we don't want to wait for guys to It's good for me. I would say Nede lesson is very much. She's a very good friend of mine. I love her stars and stuff, and we ain't getting shit, man. Well, it's alright.